sharing. But this shows the idea. So it knows I'm a person. So I don't know how clear the video comes for people. So I'll describe it. It knows I'm a person. Moving around, knows where I am. And knows my physical location. So it's giving X, Y, and Z in meters there. In the visualization, so a lot of people get confused. They see this and think it's a thermal camera, right? Because we are using like a heat map type display. But it's a way to just visualize depth. So like the brighter red it is, the closer. So you can see my hand, pretty good granularity. And then as my hand goes away, it gets darker, which means it's further away. And you can see it's getting closer to like my door here. So it's blending in. And part of this is just choosing the display. You can actually see further than the doors, but it's just scaling based on the furthest thing it sees. And so this is the real-time depth aspect. And then it's person. So, you can largely figure out edge of person, right? Like as I get a little bit bigger, as I stand up, it's following me, and it does that in real time. So this is what's called stereo neural inference. This is monocular neural inference with stereo depth. So you can see it's taking the bounding box. This is running MobileNet SSD, but you can run a tiny YOLO or full YOLO 3 as well. And then it's fusing the depth information. And that blue box is actually where it's pulling the depth information.